Welcome to the International Auto Parts Expo at the National Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai. As a key gathering for the global automotive aftermarket industry, this event brings together industry players from around the world. Join us for an on-site walkthrough to explore the latest products, technologies, and business opportunities. Now we can see this is the layout of Hall 3, and we can see many booths on both sides of us. This exhibition covers Hall 3 and Hall 4.1. Now we are arrived at Hall 4.1. Now we can take a closer look at the products on display. You can feel the precise craftsmanship, reliable quality. We are meeting face-to-face with professional manufacturers on the exhibition floor, covering a full range of auto parts and components. We dive into detailed discussions on product features, customer solutions, and supply chain capabilities, building direct connection for long-term cooperation. The exhibition attracts industry professionals and buyers from across the globe. Here we communicate with international visitors, exchange market insights, and explore partnership possibilities. It's an ideal platform to connect global demand with quality supply resources. Industry experts share forward-looking views on market trends, technological innovation, and industry development, helping attendees stay updated with the latest industry dynamics. That's the end of the exhibition. Welcome to contact us if you have any needs.